Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the higher tier and we're picking up in question 25. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of AC. N is the point on BC where the ratio of BN to NC is 2 to 3. AC is the vector 2A. AB is the vector 3B. Work out the length of MN in terms of vectors A and B. Give your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so to get the length MN by using vectors, all we do is go from MC and to CN. Well, MC is the easy part because if AC is 2A and M is the midpoint, then MC is just half of 2A, which is A. So length MN is equal to A. I'm going to write it in bold, but you can put a hat on it, not a hat, but an arrow across if you're writing in pen. Okay, so we've got MC, and I've written MN for some reason. I meant to write MC. MC is equal to vector A. So now we need CN. Well, for that we're going to need to get CB. So to get from C to B, we need to go backwards across AC, so that's negative 2A, and then we need to go all the way from A to B, which is 3B. So it's negative 2A plus 3B. So CB is equal to negative 2 times vector A plus 3 times vector B. Okay, so now we want CN. We've got CB, we want to get CN. So if the ratio of BN to NC is 2 to 3, then CN is 3/5 of CB and NB is 2/5 of CB. So what we want is to multiply CB by 3/5. So CN is equal to 3/5 of minus 2A plus 3B. Okay, so what we now need is MN, because we've got all the components, we just need to combine them. So if we've got CN and we've got MC, all we have to do is go from M to C and C to N. So we're just adding the vector MC CN, which is A plus all of this lot. So MN is equal to A plus 3/5 of minus 2a and that looks like a 6, not an open brackets, there we go, minus 2a plus 3b. Now all we have to do is simplify. So mn is equal to vector A plus, well, 3/5 of negative 2 is negative 6/5 of A plus, and 3/5 times 3 is 9/5 of B. So the answer is, okay, A is going to be the same as 5/5 of A minus 6/5 of A is negative 1/5 of A. So that's negative 1 over 5 plus 9/5 of B. Try and make that 9 look a little bit more like a 9. Okay. So 25b says use your answer to part A to explain why MN is not parallel to AB. Well, the answer is simply that AB is just 3b. There's no A component at all. So there is nothing that you can multiply AB by to get MN, because MN has an A component and 0 times anything is 0. So what I would write is MN not, or is not, a scalar multiple of, hang on, scalar, very difficult to write, scalar multiple of AB. And that's all there is to it. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.